Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Made the BRABUS 850 masterpiece based on a Maybach S680. Outside is a blackout spec with a lot of carbon fiber bit, blackout 22-in monoblock Z Platinum Edition wheels, and a new control module for the air suspension to lower the ride height. In the front, the limousine distinct face is made even more striking courtesy of the AutoMotoVibes carbon fiber concept, featuring the BRABUS front spoiler lip and attachment for the side air intakes. The BRABUS carbon fiber diffuser at the rear completes the exterior design and highlight the two black enameled tailpipes of the BRABUS high-performance exhaust system. Finally, all trim elements including the custom BRABUS radiator grille frame boast an elegant black finish, infusing the BRABUS 850 with a unique black and a bold signature character. Equipped with a 6.3-liter increased displacement V12 engine featuring 12 new forked piston and 2 BRABUS high-performance turbocharger, this all-wheel drive masterpiece of modern elegance sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.1 seconds. The stock of the S680's twin-turbo 6.0-liter V12 makes a healthy 621 horsepower, but that wasn't enough clearly. BRABUS has increased the displacement to the 6.3-liter and a V4 piston, a pilot crankshaft, a new connecting rods, and new larger turbos. It now makes 850 horsepower and 1033 pound-feet of torque, restricted to 811 pound-feet of torque. This is to protect the 9-speed gearbox. BRABUS also fit new air filter housing and a new air duct, remapped ignition, injection and a burst control, and a lot more. Inside has not been left untouched either, with a BRABUS masterpiece interior overhaul in a black leather and a carbon fiber trim. This one costs at 470,000 euros or $515,000 US.